Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the perfect sausage roll without an oven. Without any further ado, let's get started. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I will start by measuring out 500 grams of all-purpose flour. A little bit above 4 cups makes 500 grams. If you don't have a scale, you can use 4 cups of flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix all the dry ingredients together. Next, I will measure out 225 grams of butter. You can also use margarine. So next, I'm going to be grating the butter. The butter is very cold and you want to work with a very cold butter because I don't want it taking so much time to work into the flour. So I'm grating it to make it smaller. And that is done, and I will put that aside. Into the wet ingredient, add the butter, and I'm going to be working with a clean hands. I'll mix it till everything comes together. Next, I'll be adding in the zest of 1 lemon, and the lemon is for flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Just the zest without the white part of the lemon. And that is done. Mix it together. Next, add in cold milk. I'm using milk. You can use water as well. And mix it. So for this process, I can't tell you how much liquid you need. Just add the liquid gradually till you get a dough, and it doesn't need too much liquid. And everything I'm using is very cold because we want a very flaky dough. And do not overwork the dough. If you overwork the dough, instead of the pie crust getting flaky, it's going to be dense. And that is done. Next, transfer the dough into a clear wrap and wrap it. And put it in the refrigerator to rest for about 30 minutes to an hour or more. And you can also leave it overnight. Next, I will introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to be using turkey sausage. You can use any sausage of your choice. Onions, parsley, ginger, garlic. And here I have everything diced and cleaned already. For the season, cayenne pepper. You add pepper to your taste. Bouillon powder, you can use Maggi or any one of your choice. Smoked paprika, breadcrumbs, egg. In a bowl, I will add in the sausage, add cayenne pepper, bouillon powder, smoked paprika, breadcrumbs, and onions, garlic, ginger, parsley, and that is it. Mix everything together. I did not add salt because the sausage contains a little bit of salt, and sometimes the sausage comes seasoned, but this one I got did not have much seasoning in it. That's why I added bouillon. Be sure to check if yours is fully seasoned, then you don't have to add bouillon or anything that contains sodium. And that is done. And I'll put that aside. Next, here I have egg for egg wash. I'll add in a little bit of milk and whisk it very well together and put that aside. So here is a pan I'm going to be using. I'm using pizza pan, and I will line in with parchment paper. You can use a baking pan. And here the dough is out of the refrigerator, and I left it for an hour. It's very, very cold. I will use my hand to bring it together. Do not over knead it. Divide the dough into two and put the other half in the refrigerator while you work with the other half. Flour the work surface and roll out the dough. Trim the edge of the dough. And I'm going to be rolling out the trim one later, so do not throw that one away. Add the sausage. Like so. And roll it out like so. And I'll be using the egg wash to seal it. You can use just milk or water to do that. And cut out the excess one and leave that for later use. And divide the dough to your desired size. Transfer into the baking tray. And brush with the egg wash, and the egg wash is going to give it a very beautiful finishing. I want to say a big thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you all so much. I truly do appreciate every one of you. And if you are not subscribed, Please subscribe, put on the notification bell and put it to all notification so you get notified each time I upload any new video. I'm going to be designing it with a fork. And that is done. So here I have the pot. It's been preheating for about 20 minutes. I'm going to be baking in the pot. Place in a rack, and this step is very important. You need to elevate the baking pan. You can also add salt or sand, but for today I'm not adding salt or sand. And I'm going to be baking it on medium heat for about 50 minutes to an hour. This is 30 minutes later. I came to check. It's not ready. It takes longer to bake on the stove top than in the oven. Cover and leave it for another 30 minutes. So this is 30 minutes later, making it a total of 1 hour. I will check. At this point, the sausage rolls are ready. And I will take them out of the pot and transfer into a cooling rack. And they are ready. And this sausage roll was very, very flaky and super delicious. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.